Hello my Blender lovers, what's up? Yeah, I know you are waiting for part 3 of product modeling. So here's part 3 of product modeling. Today we will do lightning setup on our model, but before I start I want to say something. Why are you fucking not subscribe my channel? Why you not like the video? I'm doing hard work for you and I do super creative product visualization that no one doing. So break the subscribe button by using your beautiful hand. If anything you want to say me comment below, I will you reply fast. Okay, so let's start lightning setup for modeling. First click Shift A and select the area light. Yeah, we got area light. Now select the light and rotate it by click Shift R and push it behind the model. Make sure the light not too much big. The science behind it. Big light is giving soft lightning and small light giving sharp light. It's good for showing extra sharp light in the model. Sometime we use soft light, it's depend on the model. What you think about it, if you know more science about it, so comment me below. Now you can see it's giving good light from behind. I'm going to increase lightning value, maybe it look more good with 50. Let's see how it will look. Not too much look good, maybe when we will adding more light, it will look good. Okay, so our first product model label not looking well here, I can't see brand correctly. Let's fix it by going to viewport mode and rotate it a little bit. Let's see how it's look. No, this not look perfect. I can't see the brand name and logo correctly. Let's fix it again, click R and Z, then rotate and rotate. Oh fuck, it's rotate like speed tire. Oh my god, my hands got wet by rotating it. Sometime you will feel to rotating some models like. Why this not rotate correctly? Okay, now I think look good. Woohoo, now let's fix the area light. But before I need to look back on lightning color. Is it look good with white light? What you think which color light will be look good behind the model? Please comment below which light will look good. But for now I'm gonna select upper light for changing the color. Which light will be look good? I think club pink look better, maybe I don't know. Okay, I wanna say something. Don't be judged with vulgarity. I know some will thinking this is vulgarity, but this is not. If you see with creative eye, you will see this is a art. And my client was say to me create product to showing dark energy with this dark drink. So that's why I create this product. And you can't believe they like this, and they give me $2,000 for creating this product visualization. If you want to see how I find that client and what's my strategy for finding clients. So don't worry, I will tell you true that no one tell you. But these thing I will tell in our future video. So make sure subscribe my channel for knowing true behind 3D artist. I see no one telling true about money, they just sell course to public. But don't worry, I swear I will tell you truth about money, but I want only one thing from you. I want your support, so subscribe and like for future video. Now back to the work. We have done upper light with fade pink, and now we will change the color of the backlight. But before just do some little bit changes in upper light, I want to do more fade pink light. Now select the backlight for color change and play with colors. Yeah, well friends, you do it. We done lighting setup. I know this is basic lighting, but remember my friend the masterpiece create with simplicity, but in future video, I will come with different product visualization. I can bet with you. If you will see my future video, your mind will explode. Because I created ultra pro level creativity in product visualization, so keep it suspense, and for watching future videos subscribe. I will tell you again, your mind will explode. How's my creativity? Please tell me in the comments section. I will give you reply fast then flash. Share this video with your friends. And burn his ass with this video. Okay, goodbye my hiku piku friends. I will meet you in the next video. Future video I will upload in the next 2 to 3 days. So make sure for watching ultra pro level product visualization videos, break the subscribe button by using your ass.